Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to spot fake Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's go step by step so you don't get scammed. Step 1. Check the box. Fake buds usually come in low quality packaging. Look for spelling mistakes, blurry logos, or weak print. Real Samsung boxes are neat, sharp, and clean. Step 2. Scan the serial number. On the bottom of the box or case, you will see a serial number. Go to Samsung's official website or support to check if it's real. If the number does not exist, it's fake. Step 3. Check the build quality. Real Buds 3 Pro feel strong and smooth. Fake ones are often too light, feel cheap, or have weird plastic edges. Step 4. Sound and features. Fake buds often have poor sound, no noise cancelling, and bad touch controls. Try connecting them to the Galaxy Wearable app. If they don't show up, they are not real. Be careful when buying from unofficial sellers or random websites. Always buy from trusted stores to avoid fake tech. If this helped, like the video and hit subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.